15 facts about dogs, cats, and cows. Animals have always fascinated us with their unique characteristics and behaviors. From domesticated pets to farm animals, they have played an important role in our lives for thousands of years. In this context, let's explore 15 interesting facts about three popular animals: dogs, cats, and cows. First, dogs. Dogs are descended from wolves and were first domesticated over 15,000 years ago. There are over 300 different breeds of dogs, each with their own unique characteristics. Dogs have a sense of smell that is 10,000 times more powerful than that of humans. They are known to be loyal and great companions for humans. The tallest dog ever recorded was a Great Dane named Zeus, who stood at 44 inches tall. 5 facts about cats. Domestic cats are believed to have been first domesticated in the Near East over 10,000 years ago. Cats have retractable claws, which help them climb and hunt. They are known for their agility and are able to jump up to 6 times their own body length. The largest breed of domestic cat is the Maine Coon, which can weigh up to 25 pounds. Cats spend an average of 16 hours a day sleeping. 5 facts about cows. Cows are domesticated animals that have been used for their meat and hides for thousands of years. They are social animals and have been known to form close bonds with other cows and even with humans. A cow's stomach has 4 compartments, which allows them to digest tough vegetation like grass and hay. The average cow produces 6 to 7 gallons of milk per day. Cows are able to see in color and have a wide field of vision, which allows them to detect predators.